Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best indoor electric grills you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Electric grills have a resemblance to the old electric burger makers that were popular in the 1970s. They're heated on one or both sides of the top and bottom, so the food is put on top of that, and the cover is placed on top of that. You can get a flip-up grill or a traditional grill with a cover, depending on your preferences. In any case, these indoor electrics produce some of the best steaks, burgers, and kebabs that rival the best restaurant fare. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features, and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5, Cuisinart Griddler Elite. A touch grill, a panini press, a full griddle, a full grill, a half grill/half griddle, and a top melt are among the 6 cooking options available on this grill. Although it takes up a lot of room, reviewers say the benefits outweigh the drawbacks. I can fine-tune the temperature setting. One reviewer comments, "It's much easier to clean than my old touch grill, and the reversible plates mean I don't have to find extra room." On number 4, T-fal OptiGrill Electric Grill. Are you new to the grilling world? This indoor grill will make your life easier. The weight of the objects on the grill plate is measured by a sensor, which varies the cooking time accordingly. The feature I like best about this grill is that it automatically cooks various types of food to the proper temperature, rare, medium, etc., and alerts you when they are done by changing the color of the light and emitting an audible beep. It also tells you when it's preheated, can cook frozen or unfrozen food, and has controls for all of that. One Amazon reviewer expresses her delight. On number 3, Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Electric Indoor Grill Plus Griddle. Since both of these cooking areas have their own heat control settings, this grill is ideal for cooking sides and main dishes at the same time, or feeding two cohabitees with very different tastes. According to one Amazon reviewer, both sides can be used as a grill, ridges, or a griddle, flat, so steak, chicken, chops, kebabs, and more are once again a thing in our lives. Back in the day, I missed getting an outdoor barbecue, and grilling in a pan on a hot plate is a no-no. On number 2, PowerXL Smokeless Grill with Tempered Glass Lid. You'll have a virtually smokeless experience with this grill thanks to the turbo smoke extraction device. But it isn't the only advantage. The tray below is the best part of this, as it allows you to add liquid to infuse your food as it cooks. Herbs and liquid smoke in there, and it flavors all of the food on the grill beautifully, one reviewer adds. On number 1, Foreman Removable Indoor Electric Grill. The Foreman GRP 1060B 4-serving removable plate grill was the first of its kind, and almost every other electric grill is a knockoff. The Foreman grills are available in a number of sizes and styles. This one, which can serve 4 people, is sufficient for a family, but the same grills are also available in a 9-person version. This device heats up quickly and can be set to a temperature high enough to sear meat, so plug it in, load it up, and get cooking. The removable grilling plates wash easily in a dishwasher, and so does the grease strip tray. Simple and easy to use, it makes some of the best grilled food you've ever eaten. Better still, it comes with a 3-year limited warranty, the best on our list. So guys, this was the video about the best indoor electric grills. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.